Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'm going to give away 5 of my new done for you funnels. And these funnels are in the evergreen niche of traffic. And I'm going to show you some proof of how you can earn multiple income streams by promoting one link with these funnels. I'm going to show you how you can potentially get into profit every single month promoting these funnels. They're ones that I personally use, and that will give you a funded traffic proposal. So every single month you can now buy traffic from your profits instead of, if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, then you'd have to buy your traffic from your wages or your job income or even your savings in your bank account. And I'm also going to give you a system, if you want to scale up with these funnels, a system to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers. I'm going to show you some proof that that works as well. So first of all, I'll give you an example. So these funnels are very similar. I'm going to give you an example of one of them. And if you would like any of these funnels, just send me an email. My email address will be in the description and I'll email them across to you. If you partner with me, you will get these anyway. But if you don't partner with me and you're already a member of any of these offers, then just send me an email and I'll send you the funnels over. So the first one, first of the 5, is the one that I started with in the very beginning, and that's the Click engine. So you're going to get this lead capture page. Everything is 100% done for you. So you don't have to create anything. It's just a copy and paste clone system. And I do all the videos for you on the lead capture page. So I do all the selling and telling. I give all the proof that it works. And all you do is just promote one link to this page. And when your prospects opt in, they get taken to this page. Now, this page is where the magic really happens because it shows proof, again, a longer version of proof. I update the proof as well. The income goes up every single month, so this commission will go up, showing your prospects that it works. And then what happens is when they click here to join, your affiliate link will be on this button. So they'll also join Leads Leap through your affiliate link in this button. And with Leads Leap, you can earn passive income every single month, even if you're a free member of Leads Leap. Now you'll see my total earnings here for Leads Leap are over $1,000. So you're going to earn an additional income stream outside of Warrior Plus with Leads Leap. Now, very, very simple to create these funnels. All you do is just copy and paste these codes into Leads Leap. If you're if you're a beginner and you're brand new, then you can do this as well. Because what I've done, I've created 2 video tutorials that teach you in very simple steps how to set these funnels up. Just copy and paste, follow the tutorials step by step, and then you can set up your own funnel. Now it gets even better because what I've done, I've even written the email follow-ups for you. So email follow-ups, these aren't done by ChatGPT or AI or any artificial intelligence software. I've taken my time to write these emails for you, and each funnel will have 7 emails for you to follow up with your prospects. Now, the reason we do that is because only 1 to 2% of prospects join when they first get exposed to an offer. So it's absolutely key that you set up an email autoresponder system where you follow up, and I teach you how to put your affiliate links into here. So you follow up at least 7 times, because that's how many times it takes for a prospect, up to 7 times, to see an offer before they take action and buy. So that's why I always do a minimum of 7 emails, a welcome and 6 follow-ups. And these are all going to be there completely done for you as well. Just to show you some proof that it works. So you'll see here I've referred 130 Click Engine members. And even with the Click Engine, this is how I started with the Click Engine. And you get a bonus from Jeff Amon for every 10 Click Engine members that you refer, an ongoing bonus of $25. And that's a recent one from March the 1st. My 13th $25 bonus payment. So I'm just giving you some proof here that these funnels do actually work if you promote them. Let me show you some results now. I'm going to give you a system as well of how to really scale up. So in the last 30 days, I'm live in my Warrior Plus account. The Warrior Plus account is set at a default. This is where you get paid through these products. So the Warrior Plus is a default at 30 days. So I'll just show you in the last 30 days here that over $1,000 of commissions in this column in the right hand side here. Over $1,000 of commissions have come in the last 30 days. But let me show you a bigger picture of how this system works. Let's go into all time. So I started with the Click Engine, which is $4.90. Now, what you'll see here, if you go into my all time in my account, just loading up now, live in the account here still, you'll see in the right hand column that I've earned over $9,000 in commissions. I've sold over $18,000 of products, and I've sold over $2,000 of products. So what I teach you with this system is I teach you how to earn multiple income streams with these funnels. I teach you how to earn monthly recurring payments. So each of these circular arrows here, they've been paying 10 months in a row. Each of these circular arrows down here, 22 months in a row, is showing you payments. The funnels, all these gaps here where there's no arrows, they're all new members coming in, promoting the funnels. And then you come further down here and you'll see more recurring payments here. We've only gone down 50 pages here. We could go to 250 rows. But I've done lots of other videos on this. I've got a playlist that shows you all the progress that I've made with this system. So here's a system for you. I'm going to pin this video, pin this page with this video onto the first comment below the video you're watching now. It's called How to Get Your Buyer Traffic for Free, but it's a lot more than that. It's how to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus, traffic offers. It's how to promote your offers in front of thousands of existing buyers every month, how to promote your offers in front of thousands of new, but not every month, every day, thousands of new buyers every day. And a lot more than that. So really how to scale up and earn the income streams that I'm sharing with you today. So I recommend watching that video. The system itself is predominantly 5 products here. So if you join any of these, then you can just click on here to join or get more information. All the links will be in the description or they're on this page here. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become an affiliate, a member and affiliate of these offers. So please give me a like and a share if you've enjoyed today's video. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So if you've got any questions about today's content, then please put those questions in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address is in the description of this video and every video I do. So if you want to contact me direct and you want some help with your affiliate marketing or with this system, then that's the email to reach me on. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.